Children, today we are going to discuss the word functions. A relation is said to be a function if every element of A has a unique image in set B. Let's see with an example. Say I have two non-empty sets containing 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 as their element. Now if I say 1 is linked up with 5, 3 is linked up with 6 and 2 is linked up with 4, then I can define the relation as 1 is related to 5, 2 is related to 4, 3 is related to 6. So here I have written this relation as a subset of Cartesian product from A to B. Cartesian product from A to B. So children, I told you that these first letters in the relation are known as domain and the second numbers are the range of the relation. I have also told you that all the elements of set B are known as codomain. We can call the elements of A also as pre-image, and the elements of set B are also known as image. Now this is the relation I have defined over here, and just now I told you function, and it is represented as function from A to B. That means I am relating the elements of A to the elements of B. This is how I have related. Now I have defined function that elements of A should have a unique image in B. So let's see, this one has how many images? This one has only 5 as its image. This 2 has only 4 as its image. This 3 is also linked up with only one element of set B. So I can say this relation is a function, since every element of set A is related or linked up with particular or unique image of B. Let's see another example. Say I have set A and B. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say this 1 is linked up with 6, this 1 is again linked up with 5, this 3 is linked up with 5. So the relation here can be defined as 1 is related to 4, then again 1 is related to 6, and here 3 is related to 5. So children, look here. As I told you, in function you should have a unique image in set B, but here 1 is having 4 as its image and 1 also has 6 as its image. So 1 is having 2 images. 1 is having 2 relations with 2 elements, relation with 2 elements of set B. So if your domain gets repeated, then it is not a function. So I can say here the domain is repeating, or I can say element of set A has more than one image. That's why it is not a function. Let's see one more example. If I have written R is equal to 2, 6, then it is say 2, 8, then it is 1, 4. So here I can, just by looking at this relation, I can say since 2 has more than one image, that's why this is not a function. So every relation is not a function. Let's now define two terminologies. One is your real valued function and another is real function. Now how they are differ from each other and what are their definitions? Real valued functions. Children, a function is said to be real valued function if its range is real. For example, I have set A 1, 2, 3. Say I have set B which is having 3, say it is 4, 5, 6. Now I can define the relation. Say this is your mapping, 1 to 1 mapping. That means one element, each element of set A is related to one element of set B. So this is known as 1 to 1 mapping. So the relation here can be defined as 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 6. And this relation is also a function. First of all, we always need to see whether the given relation is a function or not. It is a function. Now you see what are the range over here. The elements of range are 5, 4, 6. So I can simply write 5, 4, 6. Now here the range is 4, 5, 6. And 4, 5, 6 are real numbers. That's why we call it as real valued functions. We have to look for the values of the range. Let's suppose I have a function as this is A, this is B, say this is 1, 2, 3, this is K, 4 and 5. Say 1 is related to this, 3 is related to 5, 2 is related to K. So your relation defined over here is 1, 4, 2, K, 3, 5. Now children, check whether this relation is a function or not. Yes, this relation is a function. But this relation which is a function has real valued, this function is a real valued function or not. So for this I need to check its range. Range here it is 4, K and 5. Children, I know 4 and 5 are real numbers, but K is not a real number. So this relation is a function, but the range is not a real valued function because it contains K which doesn't come in real number. So this is not a real valued function. Fine. Now you see what is real function. If your domain and range, if both of these are real numbers, or I can say if domain and range has its element as real number, then we can say it is a real function. Say in this case, here my domain is 1, 2, 3 which are real number, then range is 5, 4, 6 which are again real number. So here I can say this is a real function, whereas here I can say this is not a real valued function. Yes, of course the relation is a function, but its range doesn't contain all elements as real numbers. That's why it is not a real valued function. And for real function, you need to check the values of domain and range. If the elements of domain and range are real numbers, then we can say that the functions are real numbers.